Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about enable or disable offline permissions for Microsoft Store games in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung Microsoft Store or i-type mo lang yung store. So automatic po yan. Makikita mo kaagad dito and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na open na natin yung Microsoft Store, and then dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-sign in. Okay, so i-click mo lang dito at i-sign in mo lang yung Microsoft account. And then after ka makapag-sign in, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. Okay, so click mo lang dito yung settings. And dito sa settings, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung offline permissions. Okay, so make this PC the one I use to run some games or apps that I have limited license even when I'm offline. So dito lang sa right side ay nandito yung kanyang button. So pwede mong i-turn on or i-turn off mo siya. So, okay, so click mo lang yung button niya. Ayan, so may makikita ka dito ng notifications. Okay, so click mo lang dito yung close and then naka-turn on na siya. Okay, so pwede mo naman itong i-turn off. I-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable or disable offline permissions for Microsoft Store games in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.